Rising household debt is definitely a big problem, but you need to understand what is good debt and what is bad debt. Bad debt is where you take the loan against a depreciating asset like car loans, like student loans, like furniture loans, any type of credit card that you use to purchase some goods and services, which is depreciating cost. That has a sunk cost. You're not going to get anything in return, but you're paying interest, high interest against that product. That is bad debt. You should always avoid that at any cost. Good debt is where you are paying something, you're getting a loan to purchase something which is going to acquire equity, increase its value over time, like real estate, residential real estate, whether this is condo or single family home. You purchase today, 5 years after, it's going to get you 100%, more than 100% return. That debt is good debt because you're only paying 1.5 or 2% or even 2.5% mortgage interest, but you're getting 100% plus return in next 5 years. So always go for good debt, avoid bad debt at any cost. Hit the plus sign to learn more and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate content.